Well, hey y'all, Dan here.
Come with me and escape to my secret paradise.
Thanks for joining me again. I'm on another little walk. This is a different place than I was last week. This is a little lake out by Cherryville, Kansas, a little town about 15 miles away from where I live in Independence. Beautiful little spot, and you can see that it's full of life. Just a beautiful morning. It's cold. It's about 30 degrees out. Geese don't seem to mind. They're out there in force, swimming through the waters. But I wanted to come out and just spend some time with you. A lot of you enjoyed last week. Again, I think I'm going to do that for the rest of December. I may keep doing some of these. If you are enjoying them, maybe we just spend some time walking and visiting. I still want to do some of the other videos. So I've been in a marathon video shoot. I did 20 videos over the last few days. 10 of them will be sort of how to plan for hiking from home. It's going to come out starting in January. It's a good winter series so that we can be at home and still get prepared for the trails. So 10 videos will be for hiking. 10 videos will be on how to work on improving your photography. I'm looking forward to sharing those with you. I'm still trying to find a way that I can sustain making videos for a long time. When I talk to others that have been doing this, they tend to start to get burnt out for several reasons. One is the pressure of continuing to come up with something new. The other is the labor that it goes to continue on making videos. So how do I keep from falling into that trap is I think like this, just to sort of come out. I don't think about it. I'm just sort of rambling around and sharing with you, and hope that maybe I can connect with you and just be real. Just not trying to be something special or something that you're not, just trying to be real. So that's what I'm doing. But I gotta tell you, right now, my hands hurt. Well, we'll see if I can go over here and get this little sandpiper that just flew in. I'll try to get you some photos of some of the bird life that's out here at the lake this morning. Where it's warm. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, Stay on the path. God bless you.